Okay, students, you have finished fraction, and then you are doing decimals. So decimals, the conception you have already, and you have gone through the previous video also. You have there. We have once again revised about decimal. When a number is denoted with a point, then that point means the number. If you convert into fraction, the denominator will be the power of 10. So that is what, when you write a number this way, this is called decimal. And then some of the aspects of decimal you have learnt it already. So we will put into all this knowledge into your in action. So we will do some of the sums from the exercise. Your exercise 3A, page number N34 I have taken first. Things are very simple. Only thing you need to just go without hurrying things. Math is a subject you are not supposed to hurry in. If you do it most of the time, you will have to mistake. So go step by step with the proper procedure. You will definitely enjoy doing maths, and you will most of the time you will solve correct answer only. Okay, let us do this. I have taken question number 3. Express the following as decimal. Now the second one is given in expanded form of the decimals. It is given to you. So we have to make a compact form, that is given 28 into 100 plus 9 into 1 by 10. Wherever the denominator is the power of 10, that part is a decimal part. And this other part is called whole number part or integral part. So 9 plus 7 into 1 by 1000 given. See, tens given, thousands given, but hundredth not given. If not given, we will have to give it by 0, 0. Could you understand? So what you can do it, you write down the question once again and convert this one. 2800, 9 by 10, 0 by 100, because the next decimal place value is hundreds. First decimal place value after point is tens. Then second place value of decimals will be hundreds. Then third place value of decimal will be thousands. And then followed 10,000s, lakhs, like that. Okay, so what? As hundreds is not given to you, you have to make it hundreds, and then thousand given to you. So this whole number part you need not to do anything, it will be as it is, 28000. And then this will be 9 by, see, when the denominator is changed, that will be immediately after the point. I hope you understood. After decimal point, first digit to the dot's right hand side will be tens. So it will be 10, first digit. Then it will be 100. It was not there, you have given 0 and then 7. So this will be the answer. I hope you have understood it. This is the answer now. Now I have taken this one, question number 6, 2407 divided by 1000. How will you convert a fraction into decimal when the denominator is the power of 10? That is what. So as many zeros are there, 1, 2, 3, 0. From the digit, you have to move right to left. How many digits you have to move to put the point? 3 zeros are there, 3 point. 1, 2, 3. Here only will be decimal. So answer will be 2.407. How will you say a decimal? Let me tell you. If you have got something like 5 point, you don't say 5.5, you say 5.05. If you have got something like, don't say it as 13.625, so 13.625. So decimal part will be uttered with the digits name, with all the digits separate name. Do you understand me? So I hope you are knowing it. So this is the ninth one is given to you. See, whole number part is 437 by 100, 1000 it is, I think. It is 1000 only. 437 by 1000. Now, what happened, when we are, see, here 3 is the whole number part. So after 3 point will be whole number, after whole number part only points chase. See how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Therefore 1, 2, 3. Here only point will be. Could you understand? So it will become 3.437. Had it been 3 whole, it would have been given to you like 43 by 1000. What it would have done? you can very well 3 point, see, 3 zeros, 1, 2, 1 digit is falling short, you have to fulfill 0, so 0, 4, 3. I hope you have understood this and you are knowing it. Do you understand me? So this will be the decimals, converting the decimal to, fraction to decimal. Could you understand? This is the answer. Question number 2, write the following decimal as fraction. Now it is, you have to do the reverse operation, that is decimal is given to you, how will you convert it to fraction? 1.909. So definitely all it will be, and divided by, what will be the denominator? Denominator will be 1, 2, 3. That means power 3 of 10, that is 1000. So 109 by 1000. Or you can make it as whole number part is 1, 9 by 1000. That you have understood, I think so. Moving on to this question, 36.48. 36.48, how will you solve it? 36, you remove the decimal, write down the numerator, and now as many decimal digits is there, that many power of 10 it will be. So 3648 divided by 2. 10 power 2 means, beside 120, put out the, there is 100. So this you have to again convert into smallest term, always it is there. So if you convert into smallest term, it will go with 4. 425 is 100, and 4, if we will be dividing this, and it will become 912. 900 divided 12 divided by 25 will be the answer. You can do this one by 36 or 48 by 100, and 48 by 100 can be 12 by 25. So 36 or 12 by 25 also it can be. If you convert this fraction to mixed number, you will find the same answer. I hope you have understood it. Now moving on to arranging the decimal in order. See children, once you want to arrange or compare decimals, no, you are supposed to convert that one into like decimals. Or taught you previous video, remember. So what has happened? Arranging in ascending order, smaller to greater order. You have got so many decimals. See the whole number part. Whole number part, which one is smaller? That will be the smallest one. Could you understand me? Now you see the decimal place. First place of the decimal you see. First place value of the decimal. If first place value of the decimal is the smaller one, that will be smaller. That way. Which one is greater? Then you move to second place value. First compare with the first place value. Then that way. I will just tell you. These are the decimal. Now see, here is 42 whole number. Here is 4. So definitely this one is smaller. Here is 34. This one no. Where the whole number is 0. This one nowhere else. So this will be the smallest one. So ascending order means smallest order first. So here it will be. This is over. Now among the whole number part, which is smallest? 4 point. This one. Let the number of decimal digit be so lengthy. Is 4.2 is 4.2391 is always smaller than 4.3. Could you understand? Because the next place value is this, and you can add any number of 0. So it is it not greater than this? So I hope you have understood it. Now next is among these three, 34 is the whole number, so 34th one. Now among 42 whole numbers, here 0.3, here 0.38, here 0.39, definitely this is smaller. So 0.38, then 0.39. I hope you have understood the ascending order. See, you go to the place values. First decimal point you see. If that one is the greater, then the decimal will be greater. First whole number part you see. After that, first decimal place. First decimal place, the digit is greater, that number will be greater. Could you understand me? That way you go. You don't see the number of decimal digits. Don't consider this way. Now, if I give you one example, which one is whether it will be smaller or greater? 427.534, whereas 427.6. Here is 5, here is 6. Don't see the number of digit here. Here is 5, here is 6. Which is greater? Which is greater? So this will be smaller. Could you understand me? This will be greater. I hope you have understood. Now this is all about exercise 1. Very simple exercise and very short exercise. I have taken exercise 3B also. Their addition is there and simplification is there. That is also very simple. You have done it also in your previous classes. So I have taken one example as this one and this one for addition. You write down all the addends with the unit properly. What you need to do, you write down all the things with plus sign, but ensure that all are in same unit. If something are not in same unit, you will have to convert that one to same unit. That conversion you should know. kg to gram, gram to kg, all these things, meter to centimeter, meter to kilometer, like this, all these things you should know. That conversion you should do. So you have written down this. For doing it, now what you are supposed to do? You write down the first added of the decimal, written. Then I will tell you, first you put point exactly below point you put. In respect to point, no, first decimal digit you write down. Next addends I am talking about. First decimal place is 7, exactly below 1. Then is 5, exactly below 3. Then is 0, exactly below 2. And whole number part, the ones digit is 2, here also one digit is 6. Like this, next one again point, then in respect to point, all the things you put. This way you arrange properly, then you add it, you will not have any problem. If you do the addition, you are going to find 25.303 kg. Kg is the unit, so you have to write on the unit, don't forget it. Now this one, how will you add it? This plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. See, in this case it was a like decimal. See, 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place and 3 decimal place. But whereas in this case it is not a like decimal, you see. 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 2. Okay, these all are also like decimal places. So what you are supposed to do, you will write down 1.67. First addend you are written, okay, in the working column. Now next addend, to put the digit, you put first point, so that you are aligning under proper place value. Could understand? So 2.5, 5, 2 and 5. Here is 2. Okay. And next is again point you put 3 and 5, then 8. Then you put point 6, 2, then 9. Then you put point 6, 3 here, but here is that. Then 2, then 5, 4, sorry. 5, 4. If you, now you add. Addition will be simple. If you add, say, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 10, 19 plus 7, 26. No. Isn't it? 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 19 plus 7 is 26, okay? Now, 2 carry over, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 6 is 19, 19 plus 11, 19 plus 11 is 30, 0. 3 carry over, now decimal part you see, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 2, 25 plus 1, 26. Now 2 carry over 3. I think this is the answer. Could you understand it? That will be correct answer or not? Let me see. 36.06. Yeah, came correct. Isn't it? So it will come correct. So if you arrange this way and do it, so you will not have any mistake. So decimal addend will be what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to put the first addend and then put the point. In respect to point, you put the decimal digit exactly below the top addend's place values and whole number part also accordingly, and to the addition, normal addition. For simplification, find the value of this, this and this. So simplification, all the plus number you have to add, this one will be added to this. That you have done in the working column, 37.25, 43.90, 90, that will become 81.15. You are rearrange this first. Second step, you are rearrange plus addend and minus addend also you are rearranged. Okay, minus number you are written separately. Minus number also you have to add, mind it. Minus decimal also you added and 23.15 it came. Now you do the subtraction plus minus when it is. So plus addend summation will be rupees 81.15 and minus addend summation will be rupees 28.15. If you subtract now 53.00, after decimal right hand side 0 doesn't have, alone 0 doesn't have any value. Had it been after 0, no. After 0 here this place is 6, then this 0 has got a value. But if you are adding numerous 0, that doesn't carry any value, means the value remains same value. So it is 53. I hope you have understood. Go through, you will understand it.